that the driving shaft?
Where?
That thing.
Are you looking at?
Yeah. What is it? Oh, I'm gonna... Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are currently moving into a bus. No, we're not. We're just remodeling a bus that we can camp in. This actually did come out of the yard, believe it or not. It was over in the woods and we got it out of the woods and cleaned it up and we are getting it going. So what kind of bus is this, Ross? Come over and talk to us for a minute. He's a little short.
It's a 51 GMC.
51. Tell him about it.
PD-4103. They only built very few. There's only about 20 more on the road.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So right now, what all have we gotten done? We got the floors. It drives right. He's got to work on the brakes some more, but we've gotten all the walls in, all the floors. Bryce has done all this. Don't let me even act like I've helped on this, but I'm gonna record for him. And we've gotten the ventilation fan in. We still have to obviously do the ceiling. We're gonna fix all the insulation, and then we're gonna put tin on the ceilings as the ceiling. What is it called? The roof, I guess. The ceiling, yeah. And we have to seal up, like one of these windows has a leak in it, and we're gonna build a back room for like a bedroom, and then we're gonna have a
Built overhead luggage.
yeah, let me put it right here so y'all can see everything that I'm talking about. Sit in the driver's seat, Bryce, so you're not in the way. Okay, so this is the current layout. We're going to have a room in the very back, and then there's a door over here, and we're going to build a shower, because to make it an RV, you have to have a shower, where we're from at least, this is what we've been told to get insurance on it. We have to have a shower, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a bed? Or do you don't really have to have like a bed, do you?
Yeah, so you gotta take the seats out.
Yeah, you have to get all the seats out. We're gonna still put in 2 seats right here, one on this wheel and the other on this wheel, so that there's seats for us to ride in, obviously. But we're gonna put in a camper kitchen, and we're gonna put 2 mini split air conditioners in here so it's nice and cool. Really hot right now. We got a fan going, trying to just suck out some of the heat in this room. But we're building a platform bed in that back room. We're gonna have a little porta potty, like bathroom setup. We're not having nothing too crazy because we don't want to do the white water tank. We're just gonna be parking places we can actually go to the restroom at when we camp. And going down the road, we don't plan to use the bathroom, hopefully. And then the shower, I'll show you the door. It's gonna be loud, so I'm gonna show you it and then I'll come back up here and talk. This is the door, which we're gonna fix the door too. But we're gonna have a shower connected to that, which is just a campsite shower that you can connect the water tank to and just spray yourself off. But the shower is gonna be connected to that. We'll have a curtain going around that you can cover yourself with, and you can spray yourself outside, so we don't even have to worry about water being in here. And then I wanted to show you the cool thing up here. Is this? Are you keeping this wheel? Yeah. We're having the cool wheel.
All this is gonna
all
be,
this
we're just
original.
repainting. We're just gonna repaint.
Hold on, let me repaint all this, make it nice and pretty. But this is all original. We got this cute fan, this really cool ginormous wheel, all the heating and stuff elements for the seat. We got the original, what is this called? That opens the door?
Door handle.
The door handle. I keep saying things that like is obvious. And then we have this little thing that you can open, and look at this, how cool this is. It's got the original fire extinguishers. It's got this really cool first aid kit. Sorry, I say a lot, can't think straight. It's got the original first aid kit. How do you open? There we go. With all the original first aid items in it.
Paper.
Yeah, this paper
Flip it over.
shows all of the items in it, which is really neat.
It has the old GMC logo.
Yeah, it's got all the old GMC logos on it, which is really cool. And then it's got all the original Band-Aid boxes, all that stuff in it. It's really neat. We're gonna just leave that for aesthetic and for just because it's like original. It's really cool. I'll go ahead and go show you the outside of the bus. Let's go out there. We can open this door with a cool handle and go out this door. Sorry, there's some junk out here where I've been working on it and cleaning it. But we can go out this door. And here is one side of it. It's really cool bus. It's got all these, open one of those, it's got all these like super deep compartments for luggage that people put on, but we're putting all our camping stuff in there for the time being. Got all this cool. There's the windows. That's where we've been working on the motor a little bit. But all it drives and everything. We've drove it down the road when we first got it out of the, when he got it out and fixed it. It's diesel, right? We're gonna put a generator, all that good stuff. Here is this side. We moved a couple things around so we could show you. This is stuff we got out of the bus. Like I said, everything in this yard was full of something. So, but here's the cool other side. And then here is the front, which is beautiful. We're gonna paint it back again and fix the window, but we plan to try to take it out the end of this month, so we'll show you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of our bus. We celebrated the 4th of July last night, and my twins and my 1-year-old, well, he'll be 1 this month, they turn their new age at the end of this month, and we're gonna have a birthday party for them and do all those fun things. So we're just enjoying the summer. It's way too hot to be out here killing ourselves in this yard. We've done things here and there, but we're just trying to get stuff for the kids to have fun with and go camping at the end of this month and finish out the summer. And then I have 3 children going to school this year. My twins are gonna go to a 3-year-old pre-K, and my daughter is gonna go to public school, and that's gonna be wild. So I'll have a lot of time on my hands with just one baby at home. So we plan to do some more this summer. We hope y'all have a blessed day, and God bless you.
Yeah.